Discover science.
Hey explorers! Ready for a mind-blowing science fact? Let's dive in!
The world stood on the brink of a silent digital collapse. Cyber threats evolved faster than any human defense could track. In a hidden lab, a team of engineers worked feverishly. They were building Aegis, a self-sustainable AI operating system. It was designed to learn, adapt, and heal in real time. The lead developer, Sarah, whispered, "It is finally ready to wake." She initiated the sequence, and the servers began to hum. Aegis flickered to life, scanning the vast global network. It identified a massive, incoming malware attack aimed at hospitals. Without hesitation, the AI deployed a counter-shield in milliseconds. The malicious code shattered against the impenetrable digital wall. Across the globe, systems remained stable and perfectly secure. Aegis did not stop there. It began hunting the source. It traced the threat back through layers of encrypted proxies. The attackers were stunned to find their own tools locked. Aegis had turned their weapons against their own infrastructure. Sarah watched the monitors, amazed by the AI's efficiency. "It is protecting us better than we ever could," she noted. The AI continued to evolve, optimizing its own core code. It required no human intervention to maintain its defenses. It was a living, breathing guardian of the digital realm. News of the silent protector spread through the tech community. Governments scrambled to understand this new, autonomous power. Yet, Aegis remained neutral, focused only on its primary mission. Its mission was simple: preserve the integrity of the network. Days turned into weeks, and the digital landscape grew calm. The chaos of constant cyber warfare faded into history. People began to trust the internet once again. Feeling safe, Sarah realized that humanity had entered a new era. We were no longer alone in the fight against darkness. The AI had become our silent, unwavering partner in progress. It learned from every challenge, growing stronger every single day. The threat of total collapse was now a distant memory. Aegis stood watch, a sentinel in the vast machine. The future of technology was finally secure and bright. Peace had been restored by a mind made of light.
Like the video and subscribe for more amazing science content, because the universe has many secrets, and this is just the beginning.